Hello friends, coming at you with a video on how to stop struggling eventually. So just a quick way to save a little bit of money. So what we have here, we got the traditional pump soap, right? Who cares about the brand? And then we have the foaming kind, right? Foaming kind, I really like it. You use less soap. It's very liquidy. But the refills, you're just buying mostly water. And from my experience, you can use the same kind of soap that's in this in these containers. Well, you can't just pour this full strength in there. You're going to have to dilute it. So what I like to do is first I put in the water. It's important to put the water in first, because if you put the soap in first and then add water, it gets real bubbly and it overflows and you lose soap. But if you put in the water first, and I usually put it up, up to here, and then I fill it up to, like, there's a line on the back that says do not fill above this line. Yeah, it's that little line right there where my thumb is. So I'm going to fill it up with about up to here with water, and then the rest of the way up soap. And you can experiment with it to get the consistency that is just like what you bought. Right? If you really want to, you can formulate, an exact amount and do that exact amount every time once you find the magic spot. But I just estimate it all the time. And so it's a good way to make this last longer, because when I use one pump of this, it uses a whole lot of soap, and this goes down a lot faster. And I find that when I use the thicker soap, like a lot of it just falls into the sink and I just lose more. Anyway, so hold on a second, and I'm going to fill this center one up with a little bit of water. Alright, so I filled this up. Just try to get it to zoom in. See if I can get it behind a different background, maybe that'll work. Well, you can see the little line at the top right there, top of that finger. It's blurry, but that's what it is. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this up to that line, and we're going to then swirl it up. Okay, so I filled it up to the line. And you can't really see it because it's kind of clear, but the soap kind of falls to the bottom. Well, I'm going to put the cap back on. And then I'm just going to give it a shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your pump soap. Shake your pump soap. And you'll be able to see the different densities and when it's actually very well mixed. Okay. So, all right, and let's get the money shot, the foaming liquid. All right, so I have this sitting in my sink, and so now I'm going to take my pump, and yeah, now I have some good foam, and it's real good. I find this to be better for washing my hands. Right. Wash my hands really well, rinse it off. So that's it, guys. You can save a little bit of money. You can make your soap last longer. Those dispensers are really, really valuable. Don't buy the refills made for those dispensers. They're just watered down soap. Buy the regular soap. And then once you have your regular soap, just formulate your own amount, okay? Formulate the right amount to get that foamy soap. But that's my little tip for you, guys. Position yourself today in a way that you're going to be stronger tomorrow. And if that means just saving a little bit of money, just buy soap. That's helping out, right? Love God, take care of your family, and go help out someone.